The Whynter 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is designed to keep medium to large rooms cool, comfortable, and fresh while offering multiple functions in one machine. The Amazon product link is in the description, so visit there for the latest price and offers. One of the biggest reasons buyers recommend this portable air conditioner is its powerful cooling performance for rooms up to 500 square feet. The dual-hose design helps cool rooms faster and more efficiently than many single-hose models, making it a practical choice for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, or apartments. Another feature users appreciate is its quiet operation, allowing it to run comfortably without creating too much background noise while sleeping or working. It also works as a built-in dehumidifier that removes excess moisture from the air, helping the room feel cooler and more comfortable during humid weather. The automatic drain system reduces the need for frequent maintenance in most environments, making daily use simple and convenient. With 3 operating modes including cooling, fan, and dehumidifier, users can easily select the setting that best matches the weather or their comfort level. The adjustable thermostat gives better control over room temperature, while the included window installation kit makes setup quick without requiring professional installation. The washable pre-filter and activated carbon filter help improve indoor air quality while keeping maintenance easy. Overall, this portable air conditioner combines strong cooling power, quiet performance, simple controls, and reliable everyday convenience, making it a popular choice for anyone looking for an effective cooling solution without installing a permanent air conditioning system. If you want to see the latest price, customer reviews, and current discounts, be sure to visit the Amazon purchase link in the description.